This is a 2011 Mitsubishi Eclipse, a car that begs to be driven. It has a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a rear-view camera, heated seats, a low tire pressure indicator, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, 18-inch alloy wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, steering wheel mounted stereo controls, leather seats, side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a rear window defroster, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has fewer than 38,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 28 miles per gallon on the highway, you won't be making frequent trips to the gas pumps. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Texas Auto is located at 16200 Highway 3 in Houston. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.